Welcome to US English Conversation. Let's practice daily spoken English together.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you today?
I am fine, thank you.
How are you today?
I am fine, thank you.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6 a.m.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6 a.m.
Do you wake up early?
Yes, I do.
Do you wake up early?
Yes, I do.
What do you do first?
I brush my teeth.
What do you do first?
I brush my teeth.
Do you wash your face?
Yes, I wash my face.
Do you wash your face?
Yes, I wash my face.
Do you take a shower?
Yes, I do.
Do you take a shower?
Yes, I do.
What do you do after that?
I get dressed.
What do you do after that?
I get dressed.
Do you exercise?
Yes, I exercise every day.
Do you exercise?
Yes, I exercise every day.
How long do you exercise?
For 15 minutes.
How long do you exercise?
For 15 minutes.
Thanks for watching. Keep practicing English every day. See you in the next video.